Hello, I'm Noobish Noobsticle, and I'm going to teach you how to use the Snes9x Debugger to debug a defunct sprite. So, right now we've got this patch that doesn't work. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set something called a breakpoint in the patch, and that'll help us. Personally, I like to use address 1337 as a debugger breakpoint. So, I'll just push A. Now here's the breakpoint address, LDA $1337, and then pull A so we don't screw anything up. Save that, then insert. Now if we try to play the ROM, ding, crash. So, what do? Well, we pull out our handy-dandy Snes9x Debugger, downloadable in the Tools section of Super Mario World Central. File, load game, choose your game. Yes, it will ask you to remove the header, and you have to in order to get the tool to work. Don't worry, it'll happen. So now, what you do is you say breakpoints and type in 7E1337. 1337 is the address you put in as a breakpoint. 7E is just the default RAM bank. Make sure to check the read checkbox or nothing will ever happen. Next, say run. The game should break as here we go. LDA 1337. That's the one that's our breakpoint. So now in order to step through the code, we'll press the step into button. Good. We'll keep going through our code. Yay. Okay, here's the return, and we get breakage. Break. Alright, so there's our problem. We apparently screwed up our stack, causing stuff. We made a stack error because it's returning to the wrong place. So, close down the debugger and open up your ROM again. Make sure Lunar Magic tells you to add the 200-byte header. If it doesn't tell you to add the 200-byte header, there's two things may have happened. One, you have an old version of Lunar Magic, which doesn't automatically add the header, or you have the option unchecked that says silently add header. If this is checked, it'll add the header without asking you about it. So, now we need to look at our patch. It's time to count the stack issue. Let's count the stack pushes and pulls. So we've got push, pull. Right now the stack, there's nothing in the stack right now. Push, no pull. There's our problem. We forgot to pull a value. So if we just fix the error, save, and insert, the game should run fine. Yay! And with that, you've learned how to do the Snes9x Debugger.